Hello friends, welcome to some biology class. Today we shall discuss about innate immunity. What is immunity? It is the capability of a multicellular organism to resist microbes. It is a biological system that can recognize and tolerate whatever belongs to the self and can recognize and reject non-self or foreign. Immunity can be divided into innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is less specific, whereas adaptive immunity is highly specific. The innate immunity provides the first line of defense against microbes. It is less specific, respond rapidly and react to pathogens and products of injured cells. It responds in essentially the same way to repeated infections. It is composed of cellular defense mechanism and biochemical defense mechanisms. These defense mechanisms are in place even before infection. Innate immunity is specific for structures that are common to related group of microbes. It may not distinguish the fine differences between microbes. The principal components of the innate immunity are physical and chemical barrier, phagocytic cells, blood proteins and proteins called as cytokines. First component is physical and chemical barrier. It includes epithelial and antimicrobial chemicals that are produced at the epithelial surface. Already you know that epithelia is a tissue that lies in various systems like respiratory system, digestive system and also the genitourinary system. In addition to this, there is also skin epithelium. The epithelia prevent the entry of pathogen into the underlying tissue. The cellular components of innate immunity are neutrophils, macrophages, dendritic cells and natural killer cells. These are the phagocytes which specialize at detection, engulfment and killing of microbes and cellular debris with the help of a battery of destructive enzymes that are contained within their cytoplasmic granules. Neutrophils are by far the most abundant circulating leukocytes in the bloodstream. They are expert at phagocytosis and killing of pathogens. Another important phagocytic cell is natural killer cells, also known as NK cells. Natural killer cells police the presence of special antigen present in molecule known as MSC molecules that are expressed on virtually all cell types in our body. These cells use germline encoded receptor known as NK receptor. These cells have the ability to kill the cells that express abnormal MSC receptor profile and other signs of infections. Third component is blood proteins, including members of the complement system and other mediators of inflammatory response. The complement system is a group of about 20 plasma proteins that act in a cascade-like manner in order to fight infections. The fourth component of the innate immunity are proteins known as cytokines. Cytokines regulate and coordinate the activity of various cells of the innate immune system. So friends, this is about innate immunity.